This is a Porsche GT3, custom painted by Alex Bloch at the Still Bruch Luck Garage. An absolutely stunning transformation that brings out the car's bold character and racing spirit. Every stroke of paint was crafted with precision and passion, making this GT3 truly one of a kind. Curious how it turns out. Watch the video till the end and enjoy.